Hello friends, I'm Emre Atta. Welcome to my channel. Today, I'll show you how to buy and sell Bitcoin. You will learn what points you need to pay attention to, how to open an account on Binance Global from scratch. When opening an account, that provides a commission discount, meaning commission refund, how to use the Binance referral code, how to complete KYC verification, how is money deposited. I will show you all of these step by step. Keep watching the video. Welcome. Yes, this is exchangereferralcodes.com. This is my webpage, my website. You can find information about all crypto exchanges or the crypto sector on my website in many different languages. I work as hard as I can. Now, to buy Bitcoin, we need to open a Binance Global account. There's an article here. I'll also leave this article in the video's info section. But first of all, you need to use a referral code. Why? Because if you use my referral code, with these codes, in trading transactions, you will pay at least commission. More precisely, you will earn a 20% commission refund on spot trades and 10% on leveraged trades. So how will you open an account with this code to buy Bitcoin? I'm giving an example in this article. There is a banner here. Let's click on the banner. When we click, we will be taken to the Binance registration page. What we need to do here is simple. Look, you see my nickname here, my first name, last name, and nickname, and my code. As you can see, my codes are real and working. Since I have been a Binance affiliate for 7 years, my codes are old, but they work. They are reliable codes, so once you see the code here, there's no issue. Then you will fill out the form. You can connect with Google, you can connect with Apple, you can connect with Telegram. You will fill out the form and go to the next page. Now, let's look at the other pages. Step by step. As you can see here, I have other videos too. First, we arrived here. We entered our email address or created an account using Google or Apple. After that, you will see my code here. I have explained the next steps here anyway. Then the website will ask you to set a password. After creating your password, you can click Continue. Then to the email address you entered, or Apple or Google, a confirmation email will be sent to the email address you connected with. You will click that confirmation email. Then you will enter the code here. Then, as you can see the email, you will see a screen like this. It will say, "Welcome aboard." This is another code of mine. You will see the code you logged in with here, with a 100% commission discount code or a commission refund code. You will have opened your account. If you want to evaluate my codes, you can look from here. This is Binance's own Square page. I have an account here too. You can verify it. Now let's go to Binance. Yes, we've opened our Binance account. We're on the main page. First, we need to complete KYC verification. To do that, by clicking on the account section in the menu next to the deposit section, you will initiate the verification. Pick up your phone, and then looking around, or driver's license, passport, like ID cards. By adding whichever documents are suitable for you, you will be able to easily complete your KYC verification. Binance also has videos about this. The system will show you this anyway. After completing KYC, you need to deposit money to buy Bitcoin. By clicking on Deposit, you can see the options directly here. Based on your country, according to the options available for your country, you can select the currency. For example, I will show you using US dollars. You can buy from here. You can also buy from here directly with your debit card. You can also purchase this. Clicking it will redirect you to a page like this. Then you can pay using Apple Pay, bank transfer, Visa, MasterCard, or Google Pay. According to regulations, you can pay using the payment options available in your country. After making the payment, let's now get to how to buy Bitcoin. You can click on Buy Crypto directly. It will show you the option to easily buy Bitcoin here. Yes, when you reach this page. For example, we entered $1,000 here. To buy Bitcoin, we need to purchase USDT. You can also select Bitcoin directly from here. This is the easiest way. You can do the same thing to sell after buying Bitcoin. But this is the most practical buying page. You enter the amount here, and then after selecting the payment method, you can proceed with the purchase. But I will show you this from here. I will buy Tether from here, for example. $1,000 worth. I bought Tether. You will select your country here, of course. In accordance with regulations, you need to make the payment. Let's say we've completed this. Currently, we have 1001 Tether. We have USDT. Now, we click on Market here. We select Spot here. Look. Market and Spot. Let me show you from the page. We will select BTC here. Look, it's here. I'm going to the very end here. Look, it says Trade here. You can see other cryptocurrency options here. Since I am showing how to buy Bitcoin in this video, I am showing this in detail right now. You click on Trade here. Yes, the Bitcoin to Tether page has opened, as you can see. If you wish, by typing BTC here, you can select the relevant pair from here and buy or sell. I showed it using Tether, for example. We bought $1,000 worth of USDT. If you are in Brazil, for example, you can select this, or you can choose USDC. You can trade like this. Now let's get to this page. Don't let this page intimidate you. Reds are sell orders. Greens are buy orders. Friends, what you see here shows the current price of Bitcoin. How do we buy? We had $1,000. We need to buy from sellers first. We can't pick the green ones here. I click the last price. For example, I had $1,000. I entered $1,000 here too. Then I said buy BTC. Because I selected the order here, specifically the last sell order, this order is automatically generated. However, if I were to state, no, I will purchase Bitcoin only when it falls to $67,000. It goes like this. I entered $67,000 for the price here. I entered $1,000 here. I entered 1,000 USDT. Subsequently, I clicked buy. My order will then appear here. Here. It waits here. When Bitcoin drops to 67,000, this order will then be executed. However, if you wish to perform a rapid sale within the sell orders indicated by the red markers here, you can select it by clicking on the one situated immediately above the current price. Now, let's say we bought Bitcoin for $69,996, $70,000 worth $1,000. Let's check now. 0.01428. We have 0.01428 Bitcoin. Bitcoin reached $85,000, for example. When it gets here, you say sell here, and your sale is done. But right now, you bought at $70,000, and Bitcoin hasn't reached $85,000 yet. What happens if you click the sell order here? Here. Enter the amount here with great ease. Enter 85,000. Click sell. Your order will come here. Here, at the top, let me show you. Around here. It will be added to their respective lists. Once Bitcoin ascends to 85,000, your sell order will be automatically executed. So buying is simple. Let's do it again. I'm showing you from here. Reds are sell, greens are buy. We want to buy Bitcoin right now. When buying, we click the highest red one. We input the amount we possess here. However much dollar we have, however much Tether we have. We click buy and buy it. When selling, it's the same. The same way, this time we click green. If you want to sell fast, here the purchase quantity and the specific price at which you wish to buy. You select this section. Subsequently, in this field, 0 point, for example, we have 0.5 Bitcoin. It reached 74,000. We select it from here, then we say sell from here. It's that simple and easy. Yes, as you can see, buying and selling Bitcoin is this simple and easy. But in the crypto sector, if you aim to navigate safely, stay away from unclear social media elements, don't share anyone's risk, don't listen to investment advisors, don't follow their trade recommendations. I'm leaving the Binance Academy link below. Kindly visit Binance Academy to research concepts such as FUT and FOMO. The crypto sector, viewed from afar or when you're new to it, can appear challenging. But it's not that complicated. Once you learn the technical terms you need to know, everything will proceed smoothly and naturally. Yes, Binance's official channels and social media accounts, please don't forget to follow them. If you liked the video, feel free to click the like button and subscribe. If you use my referral code, you will earn a 120 commission discount for life. You get a refund, more accurately. Regards, Emir Hatta.